Parenthetically, I might give you a postscript to what you just said. When you look at your own field, which is hand surgery, or a related field, which is adult reconstruction or joint replacement surgery, and you look at the past 30 years of discoveries, um, uh, a lot of them, most of them, are not related to the craft. We are doing roughly the same zone 2 flexor tendon repair we did in training, and yet the outcomes are better. Why? Because of that hand therapist that you're having speak at the SMA. The integration of these allied health, allied related people has totally changed the outcomes. When I was training in orthopedics, the total joint surgery replacement patient used to stay for 2 to 4 nights in the hospital. Now, 80% of the total joints we're doing here, and we're the largest total joint provider in our region, maybe even in the state of Arizona. 80% of them are going home the same day. When I look at the advancements that happened to make that possible, I go downstairs and the surgery is largely the same, but it's anesthesia pain management that's totally changed. So it's these allied people. It really is proof positive to what you're saying. Organizations like the SMA that have more of a cross-disciplinary reach, they actually have the formula that we maybe are missing when we go off to our total joint conference, our boutique total joint conference, or our hand surgery conference. It's these things that advance the field. And so anyway, I just wanted to say that.
Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this conversation has given you a preview of what's ahead at SMA's annual scientific assembly in Houston this year in November. We've built an engaging program designed to inform you, inspire you, and connect you with colleagues. Visit sma.org or scan the QR code to explore the full agenda and register. We would be delighted to have you join us.